Hi, welcome to Tiny RV Cooking. Today I'll be making Instant Pot mac and cheese. If you like the contents video, please like, subscribe, and share down below. I'll be putting out new content every Monday and Wednesday. Let's get cooking. I'll have the directions down below how to make my Instant Pot mac and cheese. The ingredients we're going to need is water, hot sauce, I'd like tapia, chicken base, cream cheese, milk, salt, dried mustard, Parmesan cheese, butter, nacho cheese, orange cheese, and Monterey Jack mix, shells, or any kind of small pasta you have. I switch mine up all the time, and the Instant Pot. Let's get assembling. We're going to need to put 2 tablespoons, depending on your taste. I put 2 big ones in. 1, like overflowing, and I mix. Get a little bit of bits out. Mix well. A teaspoon of hot sauce. We like a teaspoon and a half. I just put it in with my chicken base. I just find it easier because I can mix it in. Hopefully I have enough for 2. 1, 2 and a half. Mix this in. We're going to grab our Instant Pot. See if you can see this. Open it up. I add my chicken base and my hot sauce in. Add your salt and your dry mustard. Mix thoroughly. Add your pasta. Like I said, any small pasta works. I have used Botini a lot. That's my favorite. But we decided on shells today. Just have an even layer, but I don't really mess with it. I just make sure my layer is even. Oops. Put it down. When you put your Instant Pot on, I'll give you a tip. Let me see if I can get this a good shot. When you put this down, how you get a perfect, how you don't have to mess with it. This will match this, and you just drop it. If you can see that, it just matches. So when you put it in, you just drop it down, and it just always comes in perfect. Easy to seal, easy to put in. You turn to lock. This is self-sealing, so I don't need to press any buttons. I just need to turn it on forward. Let me pull this back. 4 minutes. So we're gonna go pressure cook. We're gonna go, I gotta go up 1. 4. There you go, got a great view for you. Okay, when this is done, at 4 minutes, we're gonna do what's called a quick release. That means it's not gonna set. Let's see if we got a good view. Yes, there you go. I'll see you back when it goes to 4 minutes. It's 4. Our Instant Pot is done, so now we're going to release the pressure. Okay, we're going to safely take off the lid. And see, I have liquid left in mine. I'm going to see how much I have. Sometimes you need to strain it, but I always reserve my liquid and other times you don't. I'm going to strain mine because it has just a little more than I want. But I always reserve my liquid. These steamer baskets are great to use for your colander also. It's always nice to have for dual purposes. See, I'm going to add a little bit of my reserve liquid to it, but I don't want to add that much because I have got about maybe a cup in here. So just a few tablespoons. And this helps this pot from moving. It's not the one I usually use, but I misplaced that. There. I don't pour all my milk in because I don't always use all my milk. So even though it's a half a cup, sometimes I use more, sometimes I don't. So I put about 1/4 in. I add all my butter. Oh, before I keep going on, we need to put on saute. So just press saute, mix the butter and milk in. I like to add all my cheeses a little at a time. Nacho cheese gives it a little spicy kick. I came up with this recipe because I didn't have enough regular cheese, so this is what I had, and now this is the only way we make it. Put about a little bit of this in. Parmesan cheese. It adds a little tang and sharpness to it. If you don't have all these ingredients, you can just use regular cheese if you like. Orange cheese. The orange cheese. And the cream cheese helps mellow out all the cheeses and infuses them together in one great taste. Mix well. We'll keep adding all the cheeses until everything's incorporated together. Sometimes you need more, it depends on the pasta, I would say. Sometimes I use more cheese, sometimes I use less. away because cheese has a tendency to stick. So I'm going to turn mine off. Finally, the taste test. So good. It's creamy with a little bit of spice. I'll have the recipe down below in the descriptions. Please like, subscribe, and share down below. I'll be putting out new content every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment for any recipes you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time in Tiny RV Cooking.